darn good, huh? Oh, this is a bad angle. Let's see if we can fix it. Hey YouTube, it's Tony with the LawnFellas, and today we're going to be sharpening some mower blades. Now, I've always used the All-American sharpener, and today I got a brand new blade sharpener, the RBG 712, so we're going to give that a shot here. And we're going to be sharpening blades from the TimeMaster, the 21-inch Toro SR4 Super Recycler, and from my Grandstand. So we got 3 blades, 2 blades, and 1 blade. And I actually have a whole bunch of blades that we're going to sharpen, so from various mowers. So, and there's another one from the 21-inch. So these we're going to find out. So the difference between this sharpener, the RBG 712, is you don't really have to adjust the width or anything for each blade. We're going to run it through. I've never ever used this, so this is going to be a first time for me. So the difference is you get a 30-degree angle out of this one. As you can see, you can get a 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 different types of degrees, and you can adjust it to fit more blades, but then you also have to adjust this. With this, you just set it in there and you get sharpened, and that's what we're going to do here. So I'll be right back. We'll get some footage of me sharpening this, and I'll kind of compare the two, if you will, and give some benefits of maybe having this once I use it. And I've been using this, which this is a great sharpener. So be right back, and let's sharpen some blades. Okay, here we go. Make sure you have your safety. I wear gloves. I've seen people not wear gloves. Obviously got safety glasses. And this is the first time I'm ever going to use this, so I'm guessing you just put it in here and rub it along. So we're going to find out. If you look at that blade, it's kind of making its own angle there. So it's making a good 30-degree angle. So let's keep going. How's that looking? Pretty good. So I don't know if you can see down that. It's probably really hard, but there's like a little bevel, so I got to keep working that out of there. not too bad. See that? Looks like it's perfect. Gives you a perfect angle. Straight down. Now the other side is to run it across and get the burrs. Flip it up and get the burrs off. Like that. That's what the back side of this is for. Not too bad. Let's put it on the balancer. So, you gotta take a little bit more off this side. Ready? Almost. Almost. Guess you just keep going till you get it. A little bit. It's really made a great angle, as you can see where I messed up. Got to be careful. It's first time using it. A couple errors, but we'll get it. A little bit more. I really grinded that first side, really a lot. That angle looks nice though, doesn't it? A little bit more. Not going to get much better than that, right? You're not going to get much better than that. I went a little too far up here and nicked this a little bit. So I got to be careful. Let's try another one. Let's try another blade. Ready? See if I can do some better passes here. That was 5 passes. So let's do 5 on this side now and see if we get a better result from the balancer. Let's see if we get a better result here. It's not too bad. Let's hit it one more time on this side. One more swipe. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I'm liking it so far. I did a lot better on that time. I still got to be careful getting way down there. Still got to be a little careful. Let's try a TimeMaster blade now. Okay, this is the residential TimeMaster blade. And then we're going to do the 21-inch next. So let's see how good I can do this thing. Look at that. Look at that angle, how it was. See that? It's that angle every time. I mean, the edge is right there. That's the 30-degree edge. I don't know if you guys can see that. Bring it over to the balancer. We're a little heavy over here. Just a little bit. A little bit. That's why I like this balancer too, because it fits all your blades. That's about as good as it's going to get there. That's pretty good. So you get a good angle. Real good angle. Okay, let's grab the 21-incher. Here we go. This is a bad angle. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay, ready? We got 3. Kind of just falls right in there once you start doing it. Let's look. Let's see on the balancer here. Pretty good. A little heavy over here. Let's hit that a few more times. Maybe one's too many. Let's do this. It's pretty good. Maybe one more hit. There we go. Balanced. Pretty good. Another thing about this is you got to be careful hitting down here like I did on a few of those blades that I showed you before. And when you're pulling this off, you kind of got to like push down if you want to come look in the front. Okay. I don't know if you can see in there, but when you pull through like this, for some reason it wants to drop, and sometimes the tip gets messed up, so you got to be like real strong as you through. If they put a glide that went all the way outside the blade that would hold the blade, that would have been awesome. So that's just something, you know, I wish they would have had something that holds the blade all the way to there. So this way it's just a smooth cut, maybe a wider angle piece that would just hold it the whole way. So that's the only other little thing that I'm seeing. And the wheel's looking good, sharpens easy. And you see me sharpen 3 different style blades: residential, 21-inch, 30-inch, and commercial grandstand blades. So as you can see, I got a lot of blades to do. My first initial thoughts, this is going to save me a boatload of time. So if you're someone that sharpens blades like this, obviously I would recommend something like this. You don't have to keep it changing or adapting. Now, if you're a homeowner, I'd recommend something like this, because the flat disc for these, you can get 2 for like $8. This wheel right here, which I'll probably replace every single year, is like $60 just for the wheel. But these flat discs work a little better and are how do I say it, there's more room for error with the flat disc, as I should say. This is a 40 grit, always used it on here, but why I like this for a homeowner, if you're just sharpening your blades, you can make them as sharp as you want. So like I said, anywhere from 15 to 45 degree, where this, it's 30 degrees. And the reason why 30 degrees is the common number is because when you're cutting properties and you're hitting sticks and stuff like that, you want it like a butter knife, not a razor. So you don't put tons and tons of nicks in the blades. But if you're a homeowner and you have real nice grass, you might want to go a little sharper than 30 degrees. So that's the benefit of this All-American sharpener. You can change the angles. The con between these two is you always got to adapt and get the grinder in and out based on the type of blade, whether you're using commercial or residential, 21-inch, 30-inch, 52-inch blades. However it may be, this, you stick it in here and you grind away. So I really like this. Possibly have more videos to come. Grandstand blades, perfectly balanced them. The 21-inch Toro blade and the 30-inch TimeMaster blade, all at a 30-degree angle, using the same wheel, not having to adjust anything, do anything, just sharpen it. So I'll probably make another video on this, I'm sure, down the road, but I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you can do me a favor, hit that like, and check out a few more of these videos that pop up here. You got about 3 seconds. 2, 1.